business owner, I wanted to send a new weekend sale offer to all my existing customers on WhatsApp. So here I already have my existing customer details in Google Sheet, and in order to send the WhatsApp messages to each and every customer was very time consuming task. And also here I didn't wanted to create a single group for all these customers. And in that case, manually sending WhatsApp messages was taking a lot of time. And then when I found out about an amazing WhatsApp broadcast technique that allows you to send the bulk WhatsApp messages to all your contacts in a single click at a specific time. Sounds magical, right? So here I've set up this amazing WhatsApp broadcast technique using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here to begin with the process, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers. It will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an exclusive discount on your purchase. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section. And for your reference, I have attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Alright, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how you can connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. Now here let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left sidebar. So here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in details, then you can watch out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so as you know that we are going to learn how you can send a WhatsApp broadcast message to all your contacts in once. So for that we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, which is broadcast. But before jumping to the broadcast section, let me tell you that I am going to send a pre-approved template message as a broadcast message to all my contacts, and for that I have already created a template inside this template section. If you want to learn about this template creation process in detail, then you can watch out the videos dedicated to this template feature available on our YouTube channel. Alright, so here I've already created a template. So we are directly going to move towards the broadcast section. And now under this broadcast section, you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live, sent and scheduled broadcast. So we're going to create a new one over here by clicking on this add button, and it has directed us to our WhatsApp broadcast section. So now from here, we're going to select the broadcast type first as broadcast campaign. Then we're going to give the name as, let's say, new weekend sale. Alright, so this is a broadcast name. Then comes the contact list. So here you need to select the contact list to whom you want to send this WhatsApp message. So here I've already added all these contacts as a new contact in my Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also learn about how you can import bulk contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow watching our another YouTube tutorial. So for now, I'm going to select an existing list that I have with the name new list. And here you can select multiple lists as well. Then we have a new option that says refine audience, which is an optional method, of course. So here the first option says excluded contact list. So here you can select a particular contact list that you want to exclude from sending the WhatsApp message. Then comes the exclude specific contacts. Like suppose if I have selected this contact list, but I want to remove 3 to 4 contacts from this contact list. So for that, I'm not going to create a new contact list, but I can select the specific contacts that I want to exclude. Let's select random contacts from here. So let's suppose that I've selected these 3 contacts, and now this WhatsApp message will be sent to all the contacts who are in this contact list except these contacts whose number I've selected over here. Then comes exclude contacts in an active 24-hour conversation window. Let's suppose that any of my customer or user is having a conversation on my WhatsApp number with a WhatsApp AI chatbot or normal chatbot. Then I can turn on this button which will exclude contacts in an active 24-hour conversation window. Also, you can apply this filter when whenever you're going to send a follow-up WhatsApp message to your number of contacts, so that it can exclude the contacts with whom you're having an active chat in 24 hours. This is an amazing feature launched. Then comes the select message type. You can see two options. One is pre-approved template message and the other one is regular message. If you want to send a regular message, select this option, select the message type, and here you need to add the text. In the right side, you can have a preview for the same. For now, I'm going to select a pre-approved template message. Here I'm going to select the WhatsApp message template that I've already created with the name flash sale offer. So this is the template. I'm going to select the same, and here after selecting the template, it is asking me to test my broadcast. That means before sending it to the wider audience, I can send this WhatsApp message on my number to test this broadcast. Let's suppose I'm going to add my username over here, and here I'm going to add my phone number. After that, we're going to click on the send test broadcast, and it says test broadcast sent. Let's go and check our WhatsApp, and you can see instantly I've received a WhatsApp message. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast message. Then comes schedule the broadcast. If you want to send instant WhatsApp message to all your contacts, then select no, or else select yes to schedule it for the later. Then here you need to select a particular date and time. So while selecting the date and time, you need to make sure that you are selecting this date and time for the future. If you're selecting a past date and time, then it is going to send instant WhatsApp messages to all your contacts. Then we're going to select add broadcast, and it says broadcast created successfully. Once the broadcast is sent, then you can view the stats for the same, where you can have the data of sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and failed. And also you can resend this failed message to all your valid contacts by selecting this resend option available over here. Alright, so these were the very simple steps of how you can send the bulk WhatsApp messages in minutes. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.